One, I'm showing you my paksiw or sa Bisaya kuan sa tawag paksiw inununan. So of course available dito is only frozen galunggong. So I have here. So first time na ko siyang butangag tanglad as in let's see yung sa lasa. So, na siya tanglad, sili, ginger, onion, and asin, of course, and isda. Let's try. Yum. So, kanina, it's been a while, nagbukal ni siya, so wala ko yung okra, unfortunately. Pero putahan siya na ako. Oh, talong. Okay. I have my talong is ready. So, i-drain lang nato siya. Ay, the scrabble is real. Isa ka kamot. Okay. So, let's do this. Talong to the inununan. I'm gonna do one hand. Sorry. Excited sa akong dinner. Okay, there you go. So let's try. Gusto na ko ano siya, crunchy pa akong vegetable, so I'll just kung ano lang nako siya. Abuton lang nato nga maluto, half cook ang vegetable. So I'm introducing our cat. It's Prada. Hi, Prada. Are you tired? Are you tired? Hello. It's nice weather today in Springfield, Missouri. So, walay hangin, walay ulan. I'm showing you my tanglad over there, the lemongrass and sage. So, it's perfect weather. That's why our cat is enjoying the weather. Pooh Bear, how are you doing? Anyway, let's go back to our Sudan. Where should kulang sabaw? What do you think? Okay, we'll be right back later.